Nails, hair, hips, heels, ass, fat, lips, real, purse, full, big bills, bitch, I'm a big deal. Legs, face, eyes, thin waist, thick thighs, you, me.
So we at Queendom right now. She's about to give me a tour of the place. And yeah, this is skincare I use, so let's go.
That's good. So, right here, this is just the where we keep the robes and the lockers. So if you're getting the service done, you would come right here, get yourself set up.
Okay.
Here is a room where we do the lashes.
I didn't even know y'all did lashes.
It's by appointment, so if somebody was to be looking for it, come here. This room is for the bee stings.
Oh, it's so nice.
You get to sit on the throne and get different herbs.
That is so nice.
This is our waiting area. While you're waiting for your service, or you just want to relax.
What that machine is?
That's just playing the music.
Okay.
Yeah. These are rooms where they do the facials and the waxes right here.
Yeah, I just need to see one.
Right here. This is where we do the detox sauna. This is just another one.
Another one. And it's a detox.
Detox sauna.
What is the detox sauna? What is that?
The detox sauna. That's so if you you get in the sauna bed and it like clean your body, purifications and things like that.
Okay.
Right here is where we do the skin consultations at. Also do teeth whitening.
Okay.
That's where this is office.
Super nice. So now y'all know where to come if you want to get a facial or anything that I showed you already in the video. So yeah, come see her. So first things first, guys, this is what the skincare looks like. If you want to get beautiful glowy skin like this, continue to watch, okay? And if you're not subscribed, what are you doing, honey? Subscribe. So here I am pushing my hair back, clipping it down, getting it out the way so that we can do. So this is what the setup is looking like. This is typically how my bathroom looks, set up with the towels to the right so that it could be ready for me when I come in from a long night. This is the original beauty bar that I'm taking, and I'm actually leaving it in the pack so that way I can actually scrub my face at the same time. It's kind of like you're getting a little mini exfoliation. So yeah, I'm just washing my face. I'm gonna do that for a minute or two and then roll my hands. And you can also wash 2 times if you have leftover makeup on, just to make sure it's all off. And yeah, you just want to scrub, okay, till your stuff is squeaky clean. And that's period. So after you just scrub the daylights out of her, you're going to towel, pat her dry. Make sure you rinse all the soap off so it won't get in your eyes. It has gotten my eyes before and it doesn't really burn. So just make sure you rinse it off so it won't get in your eyes. I'm not trying to tell you to test the waters. And yeah. Queendom beauty polish. And it's basically a scrub. And you use it to exfoliate your face or scrub your face, whatever you want to say. But yeah, you use it to scrub your face and get deep into the skin. And you're gonna go and rinse it off. I do this for about a minute to 2 minutes, never too long. And I also like to let it sit as well. I love the way that this feels on my face, especially after I take it off. It is so moisturizing and so hydrating. Like, it's beautiful on the skin. Like, I don't feel like I even have to go back and put on moisturizer after using this. But still, guys, put on moisturizer. But I definitely feel like I don't have to. Y'all, look at that. Look how hydrated my face look. It don't look all dried out. How most soaps dry you out. It just looks super hydrating and super nice. So now I'm gonna go in with my beauty mask by Queendom. You should use not tap water, but I definitely use tap water. You should use like purified water to do this, but I use regular water. Her mask is something new that I added to the collection, and I do use these products, guys, on a regular. My sister actually put me on. So yes, these products are really bomb. I'm letting it sit for 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna go and wash it off. Y'all, the video is so self-explanatory. So yes, you're gonna go and rinse your face and wash it off and pat dry with a towel. But yeah, I really did enjoy the mask. I'm still using it to this day. I decided to try different stuff for the video just because it's a video. Okay, I wanted new stuff. Here I'm using her toner. This is the peppermint toner. I'm just kind of pressing it into my face. You can also use this with a cotton swab, but I prefer to use my hands instead of cotton because it soaks up all your product, honey. And now I'm going to take a brightening serum and place that all over my face, guys. I really do have good looking clear skin, and it just helps me out even more. And I noticed from using this, my skin looked way brighter immediately, like the next day of me using it. So yeah, I'm just not telling you guys this. It's really bomb. The products are really good. Go on her Instagram. You can see results, peep results. This is her moisturizer. Now this stuff, guys, is very hydrating. I don't recommend you using this moisturizer when you wear makeup. I do. It's just hard to manipulate. So you just need to use a tiny amount if you decide that you want to wear makeup. But the moisturizer also has SPF in it to protect your skin from the sun. So that's always a perk in your skincare, because y'all know us black people, we don't think we need SPF, but we do. Okay, so go get you some. 15 is really not that much, but it's enough just to get you started. And yeah, girl, look at that skin glowing. She popping. She lit. Now I'm about to put on some Dior gloss. I really love this gloss. It's the maximizer. It's very hydrating on the lips. And yeah, guys, just wrap this video.
Got it. Job the season, just treat me.
So guys, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the website, what it looks like. This what you go to, this Queendom Aesthetics. You kind of stroll up. She has something called a Yanni bar. That's for your vagina. It's all natural. Everything is all natural. I love the Yanni bar. It's my favorite personally. And as you guys can see, she has certain things for certain specific things that you're trying to target, like acne. She has a whole system already set up where you purchase the full system that way. If you want to try multiple of the beauty bars, you can. All of her products work together. She also has the turmeric scrub. She has the peppermint rose toner, the candelada flower toner. Yeah, I'm sorry if I'm butchering the name. And she also sells the bars in a loaf. So if you want to get a whole loaf of bar, that's like $100 for each bar. And her bars are only $11, which is very affordable. For a month's worth, it's $40. And that's very affordable. In my opinion, honestly, it might last you a little bit longer than a month, because one bar kind of gets me. It just depends on if you're doing your routine, how you should be doing your routine. I definitely don't. So, yeah, but you should do it consistently so that way you can see the best results. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys what the website looks like. She also has in the description what each bar does or each specific product does. And I think that's very important, just because it gives you a perspective of what you're looking for without having to go in. She also has a location, is in New Orleans. That's why I showed you guys the tour of what it looks like. She does offer other services besides her products. So yeah, I just really wanted to give you guys a good rundown of what that looks like. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you guys in my next one. Bye guys.